Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make PowerPoints using ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see, I've created a PowerPoint here using only ChatGPT, and this is with the use of plugins. So you have to be subscribed to ChatGPT Plus here, which is $20 a month. So as you can see here, you can download the PowerPoint, and you can also fill out a survey here so that you can rate their service. So as you can see, we can download the PowerPoint and let's see if it is good. So as you can see, it now made you a compelling PowerPoint. So all you have to do is design it and just pick a design here or use a templates by PowerPoint. So to be able to use this, you just have to create a new chat. Make sure that GPT-4 is selected, and make sure also that under settings and beta features, plugins are enabled here. So here, make sure that you go over to the bottom and plugin store and search for Smart Slides. As you can see, all you have to do is install that, and you have to make an account with that, so it is completely free, don't worry. And make sure that Smart Slides are the only ones selected. So there, once you've selected that, all you have to do is ask to make you a PowerPoint. So for example, about um, for example, so if it is by science, let's see if this can make it. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds or even a couple of minutes. And as you can see, so let's try and download that, see if it is good. So there, as you can see, you've now gotten a PowerPoint by ChatGPT, which saves you a lot of time because it automatically writes the content for you. All you have to do is design it. So there, guys, that is how you can use this new plugin, Smart Slides by ChatGPT plugins. So okay, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.